Hello, today I'll be teaching you guys how to play Viva la Vida on an acoustic guitar. So let's get started. It's by Coldplay, and if you want to look at the sheet music as you're learning how to play this, here it is. So you could just take a screenshot of that, and yeah. Okay, I'll assume that you guys have taken a screenshot of that sheet music, and let's get started. So the only chords we'll be using are C, D, G, and E minor. So if you already know how to play all of those chords, you could definitely skip on to the later part of the video, because that's when we're going to go over the pattern, and we're also going to go over how to strum. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with C. So for C, you put your index finger on the 1st fret 2nd string, and you put your middle finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, and you put your ring finger on your 5th string 3rd fret. So it should sound like this. Okay, let's go on to D. So for D, it's sort of like a triangle, and you have your index finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret, middle finger on the 1st string 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret. That's it. Okay, let's go on to G. So for G, sort of more spread out, but so you have your pinky finger on the 3rd fret 1st string, you have your middle finger on the 3rd fret 6th string, and you have your index finger on the 5th string 2nd fret. And let's go on to the last chord we're going to use, E minor. So it's really simple. Out of all of the chords we're learning for this song, you only use 2 fingers. So you put your index finger on the 5th string 2nd fret, and you put your middle finger on the 4th string 2nd fret. And yeah, the reason why I'm not teaching you guys G/B and E minor 9 and G minor 7 is because those are additional chords, and this is the easy version of the song. So, however, on the sheet music, there should be the fingering chart for those extra chords. So if you want to just self-teach yourself how to play the, I guess, more extravagant version, you could learn that and play it in this order as written. Okay, so let's get on with it. Now that we know our chords C, D, G, and E minor, we're just going to go over the pattern, and that's pretty much it in the strumming. Okay, so it goes from C to G, it goes from C to D to G to E minor. Yeah, C, D, G, E minor, and that repeats a lot of times. And then it goes on to this special part over here, these last 2 lines. So it goes from C to E minor to C to E minor, from C to E minor to D, and then you go back to the, the usual pattern, C, D, G, and E minor, until the song ends. So you just strum every chord and note, so that's pretty much it. Quarter note, down, and yeah, so that's how you strum. Every quarter note you strum downwards. So let's go over it a bit quickly. So I'm just going to play C, D, G, E minor a few times, and then play C minor, C minor, C minor, D, and then go back to the original pattern, and that'll be it. By the way, for the G/B and G minor 7, you could play G. For E minor 9, you could just play E minor. So you could play it like that, or you could play it the way that I taught you guys. Every quarter note, you strum downwards. Now I'm going to go to that special part. Strum the D 2 times, and then you go back to the regular pattern. Just repeat that. Till you finish. And that's it.